Would you like to combine the silky smooth lateral movement of a gimbal and the motion control of a slider? You might want to have a slider with a parallax effect so that the camera is always focused on the product. Today I am going to show you a method of combining a Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal with a do-it-yourself slider. So the combination of the Zhiyun Smooth 4 and the do-it-yourself slider didn't cost me much. I just made the slider recently and I will be uploading videos about it. But now I'm combining the Zhiyun Smooth 4 with the slider to get a silky smooth effect. So right now you're seeing a bunch of flowers in front of me. I'm recording with the dual recording app in my Note 20 Ultra camera. So here we go. The bunch of flowers is in focus and is our point of attraction. So we've started the sliding movement. Watch how the flowers are still in focus as the gimbal pans. I have kept the gimbal in the lock mode, so it is always focusing on the object. I'm moving the slider gently to one side. So this is my recording setup for the gimbal and slider combination. You can see a do-it-yourself slider here. It has been made out of a drawer slide and it is resting on two wooden blocks over here to give it sufficient clearance. The gimbal is mounted to the top layer of the slider and it has been switched on. The recording phone is focusing on the object in the background, which is the flowers. So when I enable the face tracking feature in the gimbal, it will focus and lock on to this flowers and follow it as I move the gimbal from This is the setup on a tripod. The slider has been mounted on a tripod and the gimbal has been mounted on top of the slider, and on top of the gimbal you can see the Note 20 Ultra phone focusing on the two paintings. I am just panning with my Note 9 to recreate an effect of the gimbal movement, but with the gimbal movement there won't be this up and down movement as you can see here. This is the non-mechanized version of my slider. It's basically a drawer slider, and the gimbal has been attached to it by a screw, 1/4 inch screw, which is protruding through the top layer of the slider. I have mechanized this slider with a do-it-yourself arrangement, and I'll be sharing that in a subsequent video. But for this video, I was just moving the slider by hand like that on the table and now on the tripod. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then press the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload videos like this next time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.